not a car waiting for you downstairs. Or picking up our interns are on the subway, picking up clothes, and it's hot, and the bottom bag of plastic, and it's in your arms, and they're heavy, and it's fall fashion, and there's boots, and there's leather, and it's not very glamorous, but it's a lot of fun. I think if you have to have a passion for it, I feel. Because otherwise it's just heavy clothes and not plastic bags that hurt your home.
So yeah, so that's very often what's happening. We're working on now, for example, we're doing a fashion shoot over the weekend that is being styled by this guy Andrew Muckamal. I don't know if you know, he was Kelly Catron's assistant on that show, Cal on Earth. I don't know if you guys watched that.
Yeah.
Riveting television drama. But he was actually there was a fashion story in a previous issue called Styled Like Me, where we had him he styled something, June Ambrose, Brad Tereski from The Rachel Zoe Show, and Julia Frakes and Kofi, they all styled models to look like themselves. So anyway, so that's happening this weekend. So what we've been working on now is gathering the clothes and also finding a studio, because we're a very small but heartfelt little magazine, so we don't really have big money to spend for studios and things, so we have to find a studio that will give it to us for free or in exchange for an ad in the magazine. So that's always, we have to turn the charm on to try to find that. So we've been working on that, and then getting hair and makeup people organized, getting a model, getting all that kind of stuff. So that's what we've been working on with that. We usually have a few of those things happening at one time, and then we're figuring out who's on our cover for the next issue because the person just canceled.